Hello, kids! Welcome to the vegetable parade. This is Zucchini. Say hello, Zucchini.
Hello.
Welcome to the parade.
Zucchini is green, zucchini is long.
We cook zucchini. Yummy food. We cook it.
This is raw banana. Raw banana is green.
Look, it's a green banana.
Yes, I'm a raw green banana.
Wow, so cool.
We cook raw banana.
Pretend to cook. Count the holes. 1, 2, 3.
This is lotus stem. It is crunchy and tasty. Lotus stem has holes. This is drumstick. Drumstick is very long. We cook drumstick in curry. Show long arms. These are green beans. Green beans make us strong. Good job, kids. See you again.